Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove a Google account from YouTube. So to get started, as you can see, I'm already signed into Google Chrome, and let's say I want to remove this user account. Let's say, for example, that this user account does not belong to me. It might belong to a family member or a friend that recently borrowed my PC. So to remove this, all I would really want to do is click on Sign Out. So you can access this menu by clicking on your account icon at the top right of your screen, clicking on Sign Out, and just clicking on Continue. So now, no account is currently signed into YouTube. So if I sign in with my personal account, this should be the only account available to YouTube right now. So I just type my password in there and logged in. And as you can see, if I click on switch account, there are no longer any other Google accounts currently saved with YouTube. So that's pretty much it for this video. It's really quick and really easy. All it takes is a few clicks and some logins. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.